Good morning. Today we are starting with the last topic of chapter 5, that is principles of inheritance and variations, that is chromosomal disorders. Now chromosomal disorders, they are caused due to absence or excess or abnormal arrangements of one or more chromosomes. So this is a chromosomal abnormality that occurs. Now failure of segregation of chromatids during cell division cycle results in the gain or loss of a chromosome, and that is called as aneuploidy. For example, Down syndrome, that is a result of the gain of extra copy of the 21st chromosome. Now similarly, there is a Turner syndrome that results due to loss of an X chromosome in the human females. So failure of cytokinosis after telophase stage of the cell division results in an increase in the whole set of chromosome of an organism, and that phenomenon is called as polyploidy, and this condition is generally seen in plants. So the total number of chromosomes in a normal human cell we know is 46, that is 23 pairs, and out of these 22 pairs are autosomes and 1 pair is a sex chromosome. So sometimes, though rarely, either an additional copy of a chromosome may be included in an individual, or an individual may lack one or the other pair of chromosomes. So these situations are known as trisomy or monosomy of a chromosome. Such a situation results in very serious consequences in an individual. So Down syndrome, Turner syndrome and Klinefelter syndrome are common examples of these chromosomal disorders which we are discussing in this presentation. Down syndrome. Now what is the cause of this genetic disorder is the presence of an additional copy of the chromosome 21. Now this order was first described by Langdon Down in 1866, and the affected individual is a short-statured with small round head with furrowed tongue and partially open mouth. The palm is broad with characteristic palm crease. There is a physical, psychomotor and mental development is retarded in such individuals. Klinefelter syndrome. Now this syndrome is caused due to presence of an additional copy of the X chromosome, and it results in a karyotype of 47, that is XXY. Such an individual has an overall masculine development but feminine development, that is development of breast in the males, that is gynecomastia, that is also expressed. So such individuals, they are generally sterile, means they are not able to produce the children. Turner syndrome. This is a disorder due to the absence of one of the X chromosomes, that is 45, or XO combination is there, and such females, there are females which are sterile as their ovaries are rudimentary, not properly developed. Besides other features including lack of secondary sexual characters in the females, this Turner syndrome, that do appears.